Silkia body and facial wax strips are quick and easy to use, leaving you with soft, sleek and silkier smooth skin in the comfort of your own home. Always ensure to read the instructions and warnings carefully before use. When using the product for the first time, it is strongly advised to carry out a patch test on a small area of the skin 24 hours before use. Rub the wax strip between your hands for 20 to 30 seconds to warm the wax, before slowly separating the wax strips. Place the spare strip aside until it's needed, or fold in half to save for later use. Make sure that the unwanted hair is at least 3 to 4 millimeters long before firmly placing the strip on the skin in the direction of hair growth, and smooth by rubbing it repeatedly. Immediately pull the strip quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth, keeping the skin taut to ensure effective hair removal and avoid bruising. When you have finished waxing, remove any remaining wax with baby oil for a perfect finish. Never use water or alcohol to remove wax residue. Then simply tear open the post-wax sachet and apply the contents generously to waxed skin. To find out more, head to the Silkia website.